Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to make strawberry milkshake. First of all we need chilled milk, 8 strawberries, 2 tablespoons of sugar. First add strawberries to mixer grinder and 2 tablespoons of sugar and blend it. After blending, it will look like this. Now add milk to it. And blend it again. After that, it would look like this. It will look like this, and now strawberry milkshake is ready. Now strawberry milkshake is ready. And now garnish with a strawberry. Now strawberry milkshake is ready. Very delicious. Thank you for watching. Like and share my videos. Please like and share my videos.